So I believe that what you will find in this historic building here today is an army of change makers. The knowledge is all here, but now it's time to really ask yourself, how will you write the next chapter in the Cardano family history? Thank you very much.
Oh, Patrick. And we also kind of lead up, obviously, as a members-based organisation, we help the members kind of get involved, discuss issues they have across the blockchain, and be able to connect with people who are kind of feeling similarly, basically.
There is so many cool things that people are building. I'm so impressed by the spirit, the engagement, and the passion that people bring into the community.
About 6 months ago, we started working with blockchain, and to us, Cardano is a natural choice. We're super happy to be here.
It's an attempt to do a treasury withdrawal. You have to always change the world, the SPOs, and change.
These past 2 days have been an unforgettable experience. And one thing is for certain, it will only go up.